Hi, thank you for joining us in another comprehensive but easy to follow top list. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to us. Let's get started.
Hey guys, Alan Reese here, Senior Product Manager for CHAUVET DJ, and today we're going to talk about fog machines. Fog machines and even more fog machines. But before we get started talking about these machines, let's discuss the difference between fog and haze. These fog machines here will produce a thick white cloud of smoke. That's the fog machine. A haze machine is designed to run continuously in the background at a lower level to provide a little bit more atmosphere. So if you're looking for something that's very thick that you cannot see through, a little bit more opaque, check out these foggers. If you want something that's always running a little bit lower in the background, that's a little bit more for a theatrical use, then look for a haze machine. With that aside, let's get to it. All of the machines here are part of the Hurricane line, and there's a lot here to discuss, so let's break these up into two main groups. The first group will be the 700, the 901, and the 1301, and the second group will be the 1000, 1200, 1400, and 1600, and 1800. Starting with the 700, this is the smallest in the line. It includes a pint of fluid, and this is going to be great for your personal parties at home or even Halloween displays. Comes with a fixed manual remote. Basically, you plug it in, you hit the button, and off you go. It's great. Stepping up one notch, we have the 901, which has a fog remote button on the back, which can be used with a timer remote or a wireless remote, removable power cord, as well as a manual button on the back to trigger the fog. Also has an illuminated tank. Stepping it up a notch is the Hurricane 1301, and this one has the largest output of the three, and it has two ports on the back for use with two remotes simultaneously. So you can combine a timer remote and a wireless remote and use them simultaneously with this machine. These machines have a heating cycle, which means that the machine itself will turn off temporarily while it's reheating, and then it will turn on again automatically. So when you push the button, sometimes the machine will not fire. This is normal. If you don't happen to like that feature, then we need to talk about group number 2. The first machine in the second group is the Hurricane 1000, which includes a wireless key fob for wireless triggering of the machine. The next one up is the Hurricane 1200, which has two ports on the back for, again, dual function remotes. Stepping it up a notch is the Hurricane 1400, which has the dual ports on the back, as well as the illuminated tank. And the Hurricane 1600 is the biggest one in this particular group that also has onboard DMX. But there's a reason that these four are part of the second group in this discussion. And I want to point out that these four machines are always ready. These machines do not have to stop and cycle like the previous group had. So that means whenever you hit that button, these machines will always fire. That's very important for certain events where you're doing maybe a grand entrance and the guest of honor comes through and you hit the button and nothing is worse than that moment right there. These also have volume control, which allow you to control the fog from very low to its maximum depending on the application you're in. So if you're looking for smaller output, you're going to want these. If you're looking for larger output or the ability to adjust them, again, you're going to want to look at this second group. Stepping it up one more notch, we have the Hurricane 1800 Flex, which is the biggest, baddest Hurricane of all of these here. It has onboard DMX, 3-pin and 5-pin DMX, as well as the ability to adjust it simply by pulling on the lever in the front, tightening the screws on the side, and you now have angled fog. You can mount it above and shoot it down. You can mount it on a table and shoot it up. The choice is yours. That's the Hurricane 1800 Flex. Well, that's a quick look of the Hurricane fog machines from CHAUVET DJ. If you have any comments or suggestions, make sure you leave a comment below. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'm Alan Reese, and we'll see you next time.